Only 3 of 4 lights are working on this. One's burnt out, as you can see. Yeah, that's my aunt talking with my mom and my grandma again. I'm gonna stand up and pull the chain. So here is medium. Yeah, no, I haven't been doing much talking in these videos, nor I haven't been doing these on reverse or spin down. Just I'm trying to do it quick and simple, because I don't really have time, and now I've only got 2 days after today of my trip. So I wanted to get these get these videos done and over with, like get these filmed. Alright, guess we'll put it on high.